Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Twitch account. So let's start. First open the browser and go to twitch.tv. Now tap on three dots on top right corner and enable desktop site. Make sure you have logged into your account before moving on. Now tap on your profile icon on top right corner and go to settings. Now at the bottom you'll see an option to disable your account. Tap on disable account. On this page, Twitch will ask you for a reason, but it's optional. Now tap on Disable Account to delete your account. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.